All right, guys, made it out here to the event. Hope you guys can hear me okay. LZ World Tour, Englishtown. Super crazy turnout, fantastic weather. Let me show you the cars in the parking lot. Absolutely gorgeous. Need a Porsche in my life. Probably a club I can join. Love the wheels on there. Cage with the Sparkos. 5-speed too. E46 on the Regas. I'm not usually a white on white, but this is crispy. Oh, with the red interior, yes sir. Gorgeous X3M. Looks like she's driven like she's supposed to be. Got the bronze wheels on there, the brakes. Seen a little bit of track time, looks like. S14 on the works. So good. Why didn't I get an S14? Carbon everywhere, I see you. SR in there with all the bling. So good. Gallardo, my dream car. Guys, the cars here are insane. Check this FD out. Such a sucker for white cars, such a sucker for rotaries. So clean. Raised wheels on there. Haven't seen those before. Really like them. Sunroof, I see you. Carbon wing. Oh my gosh, with this, oh my gosh. Yeah, if I had RX-7, it would look exactly like this one. Big fan of the EK chassis. Looks like a B16, B18 in there. Another FD. Look at the 280 though. Yeah guys, this thing is so sweet. Updated tinted headlights in there, huge fan. Super clean narrow body. Little truck. I see you. Very well done. Guys, check out this lineup. The Mark IV, absolutely gorgeous. Got the HRE wheels on there, the TRD wing, confetti Recaros. So good. Another S14. Fitment is crazy on the TEs. Never seen TEs like this before. Check these rears out. Insane. Beautiful, grayish, copperish. Engine bay super clean, of course. S13 coupe. The name of this green's not coming to me at the moment, but this is insane. MV Forge wheels on there. Of course, the carbon roof. Beautiful buckets in there. Sheesh. Midnight purple R34. Aired out. Meisties. So good. Got an interesting C5 here. Huge turbo in there. Of course, kept the green going in the interior, but not too much. The wheels are insane. Actually, they're carbon. Let's go. Really good setup. Seen this car everywhere, never gets old. Insane fenders, just everything about it's wild. Always got the little model car. Boop, right there on the top. Carbon dash, I never noticed that before. Can't get too close, there's a lot of people who want to see this car, so. Finding Nick. Looks like he used the same color combo as Nick. The blue is incredible. Absolutely insane. Check out the Drift HQ booth. Good Lord. This is a setup right here. Let me bring y'all into this. Insane. I would go in there, but there's a little bit of a line. Don't really have time for that right now. Guys, if you haven't already, first of all, check out the line for the LZ booth. Insane. But if you haven't already, go ahead, drop down, hit the like, hit the sub for your boy. Wasn't able to bring the 135 up here, sadly. She's at the shop getting a couple upgrades. Can't wait to share that and that story with you guys. Wild story.
A few moments later.
Another S13. This one's really clean. Graham lights on there. Love the fenders. Oh, you're good. Huge fan of the yellow. Oh, you're good, man. Everybody's so nice here. V-Spec R34. Timeless wheels, timeless color. Must be nice, man. ×2. So this one's black. It's a little hard for my eyes to adjust. Nice R32 as well, super clean. Not gonna lie, fitment a little weak, but I can't really talk. Ariel, yep, Ariel Adam. Never see these. This actually might be my first time seeing one of these. Carbon everywhere, for real. I bet this thing is all kind of fun. Try and get every angle for you guys. So cool. Wonder if he'll notice if his steering wheel's gone when he gets back, and his shades. So cool. So the event legitimately started like, I don't know, hours ago, and the line is still all the way back there. And actually, it goes out there too. Insane. So I want to say this is a Cressida. Maybe a Chaser? I'm in love though. The body style is right up my alley. Fitment's crazy. 4 doors, sunroof. I think I'm the odd man out when I say the R33 is like the top. Such a presence. I don't know what this is, Model T? No, it's a Chevy. It's cool. Dang, the works on there. Dang, check this S15 out though. The details on this, like the yellow and the badge. The hardware on the Nismos. With the brakes. And the seats. The seats are a little... But it's clean though. That is really well done. Another R33. The Corolla, though. I like the louvers. I don't know what's happening there in this car, but I'm a fan of everything. The old school netted Recaros, little tiny shifter, got a screen in there. Let's go. Oh, yeah. Yes, sir. Yep. Nah, yep. Trueno, I see you. It's actually a sweet IS300. I like the hood. Show you all a little detail real quick. So the wheels, Brembos, I see you. Look at the flames in the carbon. It's subtle. The fitment is spicy. Reminds me I need to lower my car a little more when I get home. It's a good car. It's a good car. Another insane lineup. Y'all ready for this? Speed run.
Yeah,
Supra.
Keep going down the line.
325, E30.
Yeah.
Insane, R33. More insane, R34. More insane, R34 2.5 GTT. More insane, Mark 4s, Mark 4s, Mark 4s. Oh, this one has seats. Oh, target top with the top off. CCWs, TRD carbon wing. Oh my gosh. Seats are so good. The color is so good. Y-Sock, so good. Mark 4 on the BC Forge, so good. One day. I don't know what I'm saying one day for, but one day.
Am I a spoiled brat for thinking that it would have been cool to actually...
What is this, Evo 8? 9? I should know this. Spicy though. I gotta show you all the front ends too. So the blue one's on the CC Dubs as well. Perfect. R34 Nismos. Silver Surfer engine bay. See you. A wild wrap on there with the wide body and the works. Ooh, the wagon. Let's go. Pretty sure this E30 was at the hotel across the street from ours. Love the green. Super clean. The wheels are like nice and simple, kind of period correct. Oh, I got the dice. Interior. I don't know if I could do it, but I mean, it's clean. Another gorgeous Eva. This one's super aggressive, got all the carbon. Always been a fan of like the coolant hose that you can see through. That's cool. I bet this thing gets down. SSR's on there. Ricardos. Clean, clean. Bucky's, I see you. Yeah, man, that's a good example of an Evo right there. M3 Comp. Soup with the fitment. Another good Evo. Front facing turbo in there. So jealous. RPF 1's on there. Good car. Check this Del Sol out though. Look at the tire on there. That's cool. I'm not too sure what this is, but it's cool too. 8.6. Very well done. Love the fitment on there. White R34. So good. Must be nice, man. S14, okay. Check the R33 out though. Dang, Need for Speed Underground. That's crazy. So this Z, normally I'm not really a fan, but this one's actually really cool. So the old school equips on there, T-top, which is cool, very nostalgic in there. Tiny steering wheel, that's actually really crazy. But the back end is where it shines. And I don't know what's different about this. Maybe this hatch, I don't know. But that's kind of cool. Super cool Beamers. BBS is gorgeous, of course. Oh, that interior is crazy. Oh, that interior is crazy here. I don't know. That ain't it. That's kind of cool though. Oh, it's boosted. Cool. This one's the one right here though.